Click on the link below to get price. The Westinghouse 2550 Peakwatt super quiet and lightweight portable inverter generator is a remarkable solution for anyone seeking reliable power on the go. Weighing just 48 pounds, this generator is impressively lightweight, making it easy to transport for camping trips, tailgating, or other outdoor activities. Its compact design doesn't sacrifice power, providing a peak output of 2,550 watts and a rated output of 2,200 watts, ensuring you have ample energy for your devices. One of the standout features of this generator is its ultra-quiet operation. With a noise level of just 52 dBA, it operates more quietly than a typical conversation, making it ideal for use in residential areas or while camping where noise might disturb the peace. This quiet performance combined with its inverter technology ensures clean, stable power for sensitive electronics like laptops and mobile devices. Starting the generator is effortless, thanks to its easy-to-use recoil start system. It also boasts a fuel efficiency of up to 12 hours on a 1.2-gallon tank at a quarter load, allowing for extended use without the constant need to refuel. The built-in fuel gauge is a practical addition, ensuring you know when it's time to fill up. In terms of safety, this model includes several protective features such as low oil shutdown and overload protection, giving users peace of mind during operation. The generator also offers multiple outlets, including two 120V household outlets, a 12V DC outlet, and USB ports, making it versatile enough to power various devices simultaneously. While it performs admirably, potential buyers should note that it might struggle with high-demand appliances that exceed its wattage capacity. However, for recreational use or as a backup power source, the Westinghouse 2550 Peakwatt generator proves to be an invaluable companion. Overall, this generator combines power, portability, and quiet operation, making it a top choice for anyone in need of a dependable portable power solution.